ZW3D WuKong 2027 features a completely new parametric engine that fundamentally resolves history-based parametric issues, such as lost references after regened, missing constraints when editing parameter, and red errors in 2D drawings. Take a parametrically designed part as an example. After batch modifying its parameters, then regenerating. Even for a complex part with many features, the model updates correctly according to the modified parameters. Feature regeneration remains stable, with no unexpected failures and geometry loss. Next, take an assembly design model as an example. After modifying parameters, regenerating the connector, and refreshing the assembly, the cover plate that references the connector updates accordingly. Moreover, to modify other subassemblies, for example, reducing the pipe inlet diameter and increasing the height of the tank, all associations and constraints of the assembly update correctly. Moving to the 2D drawing of the assembly, since the subassembly dimensions have changed, the drawing updates synchronously, which the dimensions previously modified in the model update accurately in both views and annotations. Powered by the new parametric engine, ZW3D WuKong 2027 significantly improves correctness, stability and efficiency in complex designs.